this is, I'm talking generally, okay? Now we're going to talk about lustful jinn. There's a thing about lustful jinn that's written in books. They're the hardest ones to leave the body, right? But it's really about changing yourself. You changing yourself into another individual. That's what it's about. Becoming a different person. Changing your attitude. That's what it is. Like one brother called me from Turkey. He's about 36, 38. Now, subhanAllah, look, he's 38, he's not married. Not married at all. And the thing is, I had to encourage him to get married. I had to encourage him to get married. His life is going past him, living a life of luxury, but not having not wife, no children, nothing left. When he passes away, he's gone. He's finished. Now, when I was thinking about this, subhanAllah, the shayateen, that's what they want. They don't want you to leave anyone behind to worship Allah. They want you to stay by yourself and die by yourself. That's what made me, because that's what he was doing. He was living his life, but totally oblivious to having children or having a wife. And he had the symptoms of the lustful jinn. And Allah knows best.